So, just installed the 9Drive pedal, throttle position sensor booster, whatever you want to call it, and just going for a first impressions drive right now. Apologies in advance for the camera angle here, pointing at my face and not in gauges or anything interesting. Wasn't quite sure what else to do other than that. Right now, just getting the truck up to temp before I start testing the different modes out. I'm cruising around on 1.9, which I guess is Comfort Plus already, backing out the driveway, even off stop signs and stuff. Definitely is a little bit more responsive there. In a minute we will get on it and see how much of a difference that makes, and I'll work my way through the different settings or modes or whatever you call them. Alright, so 1.9, a little bit of a difference there, nothing crazy. Not noticing any extreme changes in that. About to give 2.9 a test. Already definitely a little more peppy off the line. Let's try from a dig real quick. Okay, definitely a little bit of difference from a dig. Spun the tires a little bit. That's not something that usually happens. So we'll call that an improvement. Pull over here in the gas station real quick. Definitely just going through parking lots and stuff, you will notice it is more touchy. Just gonna stop here for another second. Adjust modes to 3.9. See what we're working with there, I guess. Alright, that wasn't exactly from a dig, that was kind of a rolling stop. Definitely a little bit of a difference there, nothing too crazy. Got to get someplace where I can actually go from a dig. Unfortunately, it's 6 o'clock right now, so the traffic is kind of a mess, but we will figure out a place to do this. Well, we're at a light. Better now than never to test it. Okay, yep, definitely. So right now I'm on my winter set of 33s. I run Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax, so pretty sticky tire, but again only a 33. But in 3.9 there off the line, I was able to burn the tires off pretty good there, so I'll say that was an improvement. Worth $50, definitely. I'm not sure what using a pedal commander or one of the Diablo Sport ones or any other kind of pedal accelerator increase pulse whatever thing, any of these type things, I don't know what it's like other than what I'm using now, but for $50, even if it's only close to what you could get for one of the other name brand ones, I would say it's more so worth it then, because you're saving a lot of money. And I know a bunch of people were saying, oh yeah, it's off eBay, so you're gonna be waiting a while. Mine actually came early. I think I got it within 4 days of ordering it. So definitely something that I would consider if you're looking for a pedal commander style device. Closing off of this, I might do an update as to what goes on with this thing, how it all works out in the end. Initial impressions though, very happy with it. One thing I will say is I did throw an engine light. I don't remember the names or the numbers of the codes off the top of my head. So that's it for now.